Side note about jicama. This is a root, some kind of roots. I eat it as a snack. You peel it, and then the inside is white, and it's very healthy. So, just a quick short story behind the jicama. When I was in elementary school, I went to a Catholic school, and during lunch hours, we had about the lunch hours started from 11:30, and we don't have to go back to the school. We don't have to go back to the classes until maybe 11:30 to 2 o'clock. So we had about 2.5 hours in between. And so I used to sneak out, you know, with some of my friends and went to the Mekong River. Um, and so anyway, we would, our school was on the Mekong River. Well, no, about 5 minutes walk from the Mekong River. And so we would go down to the river and swim, and just get wet, swim in the river, big river. And during the dry season, there is a sand dune in the middle of the river, and that's where we went to swim. But on the way down to the water, there are banks, river banks, and people were growing these along the banks. And I was really naughty. I and my friends, we used to steal these, full disclosure, the little ones. These are huge, but the ones that we took, they were about, I would say maybe about this big. They were a lot smaller. So we would, with our bare hands, we would dig them out from the sand, and then we would take them down to the river, to the sand dunes, and then we would wash them and then started eating them. But so anyway, just a side note. And of course, when we got back to school, being that it was a Catholic school, the nuns found out. The nuns knew that we had snuck out from the schoolyards, and because our clothes were still wet, and they would ask me and my friends to go stand, by the blackboard, and not facing the friends, but backing up to the class, to our classmates. And I remember, my gosh, they would take a long ruler and started bam, bam, bam. So that's what I got for being naughty. I'm going to peel this jicama so I can show you what it looks like. Oh gosh. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's put this down here. Okay, so this, they wax this so it keeps longer, and as a result, it's harder to peel. But I think we can get it. I don't like wax, but so it goes. The skin is, with the wax, it's very tough to peel. Slice it in small pieces, and you can serve it as an appetizer, with your vegetables. Okay, that's it. Oops, this one is bad, so that you can taste it. Perfect. It's very sweet. Thank you for watching. Last year, I had a chance to return to my old school, a place frozen in memory but changing before my eyes. The school and the church got a facelift, but my rebellious gait survived. That gate was my lunchtime nemesis, rusty and gelding, but no match for a determined kid with a river to reach. The river still called to me, just like it had all those years ago, whispering promises of adventure beyond the school walls. Father-in-law, the church right here. Here is the church. And they boat na boat. Oh, boat. Oh, อันน่ะยุดเป็นหนึ่งได้บอกขอยากย่างลง Yeah.
Uncle Leo is in Savannah, everything.
Okay, this is the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You call it a boat?
Boat is church. Yeah. And this is the deadly gate that gave me scars on my head. I was climbing on it and trying to go over to the
Naughty.
other side, being naughty.